Hi, so I have my wheel foldable to show you on volume and surface area. This is a great foldable for students to either use as a handheld study tool or they can glue it into their interactive notebooks. So your students will be given 5 pages and you can have them color. It's not necessary to color. You can have them highlight if you don't have enough time. That's perfectly fine. Or you can have them take it home and color. So I've already cut out my wheel foldable. So I have gone and cut all this out. Okay, and so I'm just going to move this to the side. Okay, so what you will see is my very bottom layer has the words on the side. The reason why the words are on the side is because my second bottom layer is the same size, but it's going to go and fit perfectly on the left side for that tab. One thing you want to be very careful with for students when they're gluing their wheel foldable together is the glue here needs to be upright along with the glue here needs to be upright. You don't want students to glue their wheel foldables incorrectly. You got to make sure they glue it correctly, or else when they open their tab, it's going to give them the wrong answer. Another really cool thing about this foldable is that there is a blank template. I printed the answer key part, but you can print it with a blank template so that students can actually fill in the answers. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start showing you. This is my very bottom one. So I am going to place glue where it says glue here. I'm going to take my second bottom layer, and again I'm going to make sure that the glue here is upright, and I'm just going to place that right on top. Looks good. Okay, and I'm going to take my next layer is going to be the formulas, and I'm going to do the same thing where it says glue here. I'm going to place some glue. I'm going to take my layer, make sure the glue here is upright, place that on top. My next layer is the pictures. Same, repeating the process. You can hear my 1-year-old in the background. Okay, and then my title with my 3-dimensional objects. All right, and again, I'm making sure it is upright. Okay, what I like to do is I like to go around and fold everything so that it's a lot easier for me to lift those flaps. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And my last one. All right. So students can use this as a handheld study tool. They can ask themselves, what is the, for example, what is a cylinder? And so they can lift up cylinder and they can see a picture of it. And then the next one, they can see the formulas for volume and surface area. And then there's examples. They have an example of volume, and the very bottom one is an example of surface area. And so that's a really, really cool foldable. Also, I said that you can have students glue it in their interactive notebook, so they can take that and place that in their notebook. And this right here is the title. So if you don't have them glue in their notebooks, then the title is not as necessary. So you will see, there it is. And then again, you can just place glue and glue that down in the notebook. If you like my foldable, please check the link down below. You will find this in my store, and I have lots and lots of other really, really cool foldables as well. So thank you for checking out my video. Bye.